Hey, welcome back to Chef Pup's Kitchen. All right, today is a gorgeous day outside, by the way. It is a Sunday. Today we're going to be doing a simple, easy filet mignon steak, okay? I had purchased this steak from Amazon Fresh, all right? They're pretty good. I always buy several of them, all right? But this is just for me tonight. So it's going to take salt. We got salt, pepper, butter, garlic, mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, don't add it in. All right, so basically, and some olive oil. All right, so that is it. So let me give you a closer view of how I'm going to season this filet mignon. So y'all guys stay tuned because I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Okay, what I'm gonna do first things first, let's get this filet mignon out of its package. All right. Just want to cut it out. Better use some scissors. All right. Let's get rid of that. Now I gotta get it out because she's sealed. Now this is a petite filet mignon. Very tender, very tender. Oh yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this here, very simple. Salt, pepper, both sides. Salt, both sides. Very nice, very nice. Very tender piece of meat. Wow. Wow. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I have this little skillet here. I don't need no big skillet. I'm only doing one small one. One small one. All right, so I'm gonna add a little oil to it. Right? And that's about it. And I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit before I fire the skillet up so I get the skillet nice and hot, because all I want to do is sear it. I want to sear it, get a nice good crust, and seal in all the juices. Then I'm gonna put into the oven and finish it off. All right, so stay tuned because I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere because you're gonna love this. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prep my garlic, fresh garlic here. So it's very simple. Everybody knows how to do that. And I just wanna peel them. I wanna release those flavors. I'm not trying to mince them or anything. No, I am not. I'm just releasing the oils. All I'm doing. Got a little part of smack here. There we go. I just want the flesh. And if you don't like garlic, don't use garlic. Simple as that. Get a nice good smash there. There we go. There we go. Get the paper off. Don't want that. There we go. All right. Got that done. There we go. All right. I am going to add this garlic. You know, give it a little rough chop. Why not? That's good right there. I'm gonna add it right to the mushrooms. All right, so that's it with the prep. Also, what I'm also going to do, get this out of the way. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of butter. Okay. And you'll see how this all is going to come together, all right? So y'all guys, don't go nowhere because I'll be right back to finish up this dish. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fire up this stove here, this induction stove. Still learning how to use it. All right. Still trying to figure things out. And I'm also going to turn the oven on. All right, and convention bake. You want on broil? We can put that on high for now. Okay, it's on broil now. And thank God I looked because I had something in the oven. Ain't that something else? All right, let's close it back up. All right, so that's on. All right, I want to get this oil nice and hot. Nice and hot. I can also already start seeing the oil starting to simmer and the shimmer. And also, the good way of telling it, just take your meat. Oh, it's there. It's there. So what I'm going to do now, there you go. Get that out of the way. Now what you're looking for is a nice good sear on this here. Give me some fan going here. And on low. Now I'm going to add my butter. I want a nice good sear. My butter here. Ooh. Right. I want a better sear than that. All right, I think it's time to turn it down a little bit. Very nice, very nice. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my mushrooms and garlic to it. Back here. Oh, yes. Now, I'm going to cook this filet mignon to about 155 degrees. I'm going to keep a check on it in the oven after I finish this off. Come back here. Don't go nowhere. Where you going? All right. One thing I love to do, keep things wiped down. Especially with this new stove. Ooh, that was hot. All right. All right. Oh, she's so tender. Look at that. Oh. Ah. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to transfer this filet mignon into my oven. So, I put it on broil to get it nice and hot. Now I'm going to switch it over to bake. There we go. Temperature. I'm going to go up to 400 degrees. All right. And I'm going to finish her off in the oven. And ladies and gentlemen, that is simple, easy filet mignon. All right? So, I'm gonna keep a check on it with my thermometer. And when it's done, I'll be back. So please do not go anywhere because you're gonna see how simple and easy this is to make. Anybody can make this. All right, I just took this filet mignon out. It took me a couple of minutes, about a half an hour, give or take. Well, I'm gonna temp it and see where I'm at. Because once I temp this, it's at the right temperature, then I'm gonna put some aluminum foil on it and let it rest. Never cut directly into your meat right after you take it out, because all the juice is just no good. All right, she's looking like she's getting to the target temperature of 150, 155. 165 is well done. I'm gonna take 150. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna let this rest for at least about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, so all the juices can disperse back into the filet mignon itself, so it'll be nice and juicy. And this is all I'm going to do, and just let it sit. All right. So guys, I'll be back. Don't go nowhere, because this is going to be some good eats. Hey, welcome back. All right, now it's time to get this filet mignon out of this skillet here. Let's see, I got me some sides here. I got me some potato salad. I made this video the other day. No, I didn't make this video. I made macaroni salad. And I have some string beans here. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all this goodness, all these mushrooms and this butter and this oil, get her out. Look at that. Can't get better than that. No, you cannot. All right, so star of the show. Let me see if I can give you a closer view of this here. I think that looks good right about there. Just move it over a little bit. There we go. All right, I'm already prepared and ready. So let's cut into this baby. Give you what it looks like. Oh, wow. Look, it's so, guys, this is so tender. Can you see? Look, look. Oh my God. Are you seeing this? Oh man. That is the most tender filet mignon I ever ate. I'm gonna be dead up honest with you. Seasoned just right. Oh, it's so delicious. It is seasoned just right. With the garlic, with the salt and pepper, and the mushrooms. That is it. But it's cooked to perfection. But if you like this video, give it a try. Give this recipe a try. Very simple. Anybody can do it. All right, if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. Tell your friends and family about cooking with Chef Pup. All right, I welcome everybody to Chef Pup's Kitchen. And y'all guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy.